So this is what we're going to do. We're going to grab our shield, the awkward pause is it, and we're just going to run right into it, fucking smash out the way. Right guys, picture this. You're in a conversation with someone, it can be anyone, it can be a stranger, it can be family, friends, it can be anyone. Right, you're in a conversation and they give you a muted or negative response. So you might say, oh yeah, saw you on the weekend, how was your weekend? And you're like, alright. And what do you do? The awkward pause has reared its ugly head once again. So what would you do? Tell me right down in the comments, what would you do to get rid of that awkward pause? Because what you're going to do, you're probably going to be like, oh yeah, I know, just walk away. No. The longer that awkward pause is there, the more that rapport that you've built up and that relationship is all going down the shitter. Because the awkward pause is, oh, I hate it. Every time I see it in a conversation, I use this one technique to blow past it. Alright, so stick with me and I'm going to teach you this one simple basic technique, but it's applicable in every single situation where the awkward pause raises its ugly head. Okay, so stay tuned and learn this technique. So this one technique I'm going to show you is very simple and it's called the PLOW technique, alright? So this is what we're going to do. We're going to grab our shield, the awkward pause is it, and we're just going to run right into it, fucking smash out the way. So what we're going to do is we're going to just plow right through it. So let me spell it out for you. Okay, so the PLOW is very, very simple. We're not going to have an emotional reaction to the awkward pause, okay? If we have an emotional reaction, oh, why did you say something like that? No. Nothing like that. We want to come out, social status, we'll be like this. We want to come out higher when we deal with this awkward pause, because not a lot of people can deal with it, you know. Everyone's social skills nowadays is just down the shit, so, but we're different, right? We're different. We're going to have this and that arsenal for these difficult social situations. So let's say we're talking about the weather, you know. Jimmy, how was your weekend? Alright. I'm always dropping my pen in these videos. So we go up to Jimmy in the office. Jimmy, how was your weekend, lad? Yeah, you know, it was alright. It's kind of negative, not negative, but a bit of a muted response. You know, he didn't give us much to hang on. So what are we going to do? We're not going to let the awkward pause enter into the situation. We're going to slam the door and right in its face. So what we're going to do, you know, it was alright. So yeah, Jimmy, I know that the weekend was crazy for me, you know. The weather was nice, I was out there drinking in the kegs, drinking all the beer. You know, I was off my rocker, I was like, ooh, hey there, 6, how are you? Fucking fling me pen again, never mind, fuck the pen. All I do is like, ooh, Amy got more me, you know, absolutely off my rockers, right? So yeah, have you ever been off your rockers like that? So what did we do? We plowed right through the bastard. We gave it no chance to establish itself in that social situation. You see what we did? We just ran right through it, right? We didn't have an emotional reaction. Oh, your weekend was rubbish, you know. I had a much better weekend. No. Fucking smash it, right? I don't know why I keep doing it. Smash it out the way. So it's a very simple technique, but really effective. So try this next time. Next time you're in a conversation with someone and they haven't really got much energy, you know, they're kind of like, oh, yeah, it was alright. Right, you do not want to say, I don't know how to say this, you do not want to not say anything, because that is an indication of low social status. You don't have anything to deal with it, then the awkward pause is going to rear its ugly head again. So we're going to use the PLOW. We're going to fucking smash it right out of the water. Alright? So, it can be applied to anything. Say you're talking about, I don't know, dogs. So that, oh Jimmy, hey up Jimmy, you know, I've been thinking of getting myself a new dog. What's your favourite type of dog? Dalmatian, the fucking Dalmatian. Can you know the spots ones? Dalmatian. My favourite dog. I mean, I get that character. My favourite dog's a husky. Oh yeah, really? Your favourite dog's a husky? Oh man, that's mine as well, you know. Although I just love the fur. I really want to get one, but you know what? All of their fur is just going to go everywhere and they require a lot of exercise. I don't think you can drag my bed out drag my ass out of bed in early in the mornings and take them for a walk before I end up coming to the job. So, oh yeah, you know, huskies, they're absolutely adorable, but they're so high maintenance. You see what we did there? We said, oh, my dog's husky. If you had wanted to watch it, we could use the plow technique, or we could just remain silent. Oh yeah, my favourite dog's husky. Awkward silence. It's awkward for everybody involved, so this technique is very simple but very effective, okay? Let me give you one more example and probably in the video there. The plow is so easy to implement. You can implement it to any conversation. So let's say you're talking about a TV, right? So you go actually you go into Courage and PC world, you go up to the shake their hands, and it's a complete stranger. We're not talking to Jimmy anymore. So, hi man, yeah, I'm looking for a new TV and maybe an LG TV. Oh, you know, LG TVs are over there. Right, number one, we're not gonna have an emotional response. What do you mean the LG TVs are over there? What the hell do you know? Why can't you just go show me? You're an absolute what? You're an absolute waste, man. Where's your manager? I want to see your manager right now. No. Oh yeah, the LG TVs are over there. All right, cheers, man. You know, I'm gonna go to have a look. Can I come back to you if I have any more issues? Yeah, sure. Right, we fucking smashed it out of the water. I'd make that a meme of my smash. So yeah, we didn't have an emotional reaction. We didn't get aggressive. Right, you don't know why the hell to get aggressive. I've seen some people get aggressive before. Hey, with the fucking pitchforks. I demand a refund. So yeah, you're an absolute waste, man. I want to speak to your manager. No. We're gonna smash it right off the water. We're just gonna plow right through like a tank. Right? We're gonna give it no place in the situation or the conversation, okay? So again, it's a very simple technique. We're just gonna smash. I'm doing the wrong way this time. We're gonna smash right through it. So if the awkward pause in your conversation arises, remember, plow. Go right on to the next subject, or use an open-ended question, so it allows them to latch onto the conversation. You know, they might be just having a bad day, so you want to talk about, I don't know, something that they're interested in. You know, oh yeah, you know, I heard the new Borderline games has come out. Oh yeah, Borderlands. You know, I'm gonna get it. I'm just saving up my money. You know, I ain't wasted all my money last weekend buying alcohol, but oh man, I'm gonna save all my money. So what did you do? You fucking smashed it right off the water, so the awkward pause couldn't establish a foothold in the conversation, and you got re-energized. So, oh yeah, you know, the dog's a husky. Anyway, you know, enough about huskies. I heard that the new Borderlands games come out. You know, I love the Borderlands, especially with that little robot dude. Oh yeah, man, you know, I love the Borderlands games. I'm going to save up for it, you know. We got his energy from down here to up here, because it's something he likes. And we also eliminated the awkward pause. So this is a very simple technique, but it's so effective. I use it all the time. I love this technique. Just fucking smash it right off the water. So yeah, that's going to be a pretty short video, but I'm trying something new. I want to make more social, situational videos to help you guys in social situations, and myself as well. You know, I want to increase my social skills. I also want to help you guys as well. So make sure you leave a like, comment, do all that good stuff. Follow me on Instagram for some motivational posts, so you can get off your ass and go do something productive, improve yourself. And make sure you employ the B.S.A Rule. Become someone awesome. Employ the plow technique and show them that you're someone awesome, someone in high status, someone that they want to be around, right? You think, you know, no, you're not going to allow that awkward pause to stay in the situation, right? So leave a like, do all of that good stuff, and go implement the plow technique into your lives.